Hello, beautiful. I will review Hassain Beautiful Quills and Curse Naturally Classic Double Buttercream. I am also going to be applying it on my dry full C natural hair. As you can see, my hair is in a bun right now. Yeah, the double buttercream. Let me just dip my hair into it. This channel is all about DIY and natural hair care. But I am not forgetting about you ladies and mom out there who in the workforce and natural and do not want to use DIY product because of the scent or smell, or maybe you don't want to use curl enhancement cream because you feel like your hair's going to shrink after using it and want to use something like a butter that's just going to melt into your hair. That is where Hassain Double Butter Quills and Curls cream come into play. So guys, this Hassain Double Butter Quills and Curls cream and my natural hair are bestie for life. This is what it does to your hair. It will make the hair soft, smooth, shiny, manageable. And the other part that I really like about using this product is flake free and it has a light scent to it. For those of you who don't like using product with so much perfume, this particular product is definitely for you. Alright, beautiful. So this product can be used on wet hair or dry hair or a week-old hair. By the way, if you're new to this channel, I am a 4C naturalist. I did a twist out about a week ago and I decided to use this Hassain Double Buttercream to refresh my hair. That is why you see my curls is popping after I applied this product, because my hair was all twisted out and I'm just refreshing it with this particular product. So I am just spraying a little bit of water, then I'm going to dip my fingers into the double buttercream and just apply on a section of hair, work my way through my hair, make sure the product is well dissolved into my hair screen. One of the amazing part about it, it doesn't shrink your hair up. I don't know, because the way I braid my hair after applying this product, that's why my hair doesn't shrink out. I think it's something to do with me, because whenever I use hair butter or hair cream, I always like to braid up my hair. Alright, so it's about time I tell you what Hassain Double Butter is made of. It's made with cocoa butter, shea butter, castor oil, jojoba oil, sugar beetroot, and there are many more ingredients into this product. But I'm not going to be able to read the rest of it, so I'm just going to stop right here, spray a little bit of water, then I will just apply the butter all through that particular section of hair. Then I will braid it or twist it. And after that, I will just twist that particular section up. Then I will move to the next. And guys, I am not like doing my whole hair, because when I try to do my whole hair in this video, it's gonna take forever and I do not have time for that.